Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today gonna share crispy potato bites recipe, a very quick, easy to make snack recipe which kids to adults, everyone will love it. It's super crispy from outside and soft and very delicious from inside. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So here I've taken a kg of potatoes, to which added water and salt and kept for boiling. Remember, boil the potatoes well. Once potatoes cools, we're gonna shred them all. So here I am using this side of the shredder. You may also smash them, but I would highly recommend to shred it to get even and smooth texture. So here I am preparing in bulk as it was my son's party at school and every kid was asked to bring some type of snacks from home. Once all the potatoes are shredded well, to this gonna add soaked bread. So soak each bread in water, squeeze and add as shown. You may use any bread of your choice and also use breadcrumbs instead since I had fresh bread so using it. So for 1 kg potatoes adding around 6 to 7 small fresh breads and now roughly crumble the bread as shown. Bread gives a good binding texture and also adds flavor to the bites. Now add the shredded potatoes gradually and combine well. This recipe is so easy you may make and freeze also and prepare as a quick snack whenever required. Combine all well. And to this we're going to add in spices. So adding chili flakes here and then goes in black pepper powder and salt as required. You may adjust the spices as per your taste. Since I'm preparing for kids, I kept it mild. Now add in half cup of corn flour and give all a good mix. Now you can see the mixture is ready now. And now if you try to roll it, it will be little sticky in texture. So apply little water in your palm and try to roll them out and you get a smooth texture as you can see here. Now continue rolling all into bite-sized balls. Now at this stage if you want to freeze, just place them in the freezer until it turns hard and then store in airtight container. Now simple, to the heated oil add in the balls. And ensure the flame needs to be on medium heat and then evenly fry them on all sides till they turn golden and crispy. You can see how well they are getting fried. Fry them well on all the sides and you see them turning into golden potato bites. It's very easy to make and you can serve it as a quick evening snack or even send as a lunch box for your kids. See how crispy they turn? Crispy potato bites are absolutely ready. Serve hot with your favorite sauce and enjoy. Now transfer them in a paper towel and enjoy this delicious and tasty crispy potato bites. See how crispy the texture sounds? And the remaining portion I just kept in an airtight container and refrigerated it. And this was the next day morning preparing for my son's party. Simply roll the bites and fry them into the oil. As I mentioned earlier, you may also freeze them once you shape them out. After you shape, keep it in freezer and once it turns hard, store in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag. Now preparing the box for carrying these bites. And you can see on the other side, super crispy potato bites are ready. See how crispy the texture is? Now placing on a foil so it stays warm for a while. And then here goes in some mini bites. And trust me, all my son's friends and classmates truly love these bites. Do try this simple yet tasty snack recipe and stay connected with Nisha for many more quick and easy recipes. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.